Sa local basketball scene, nagsimula na ang aksyon sa hardcourt ng inilunsad ng PhilSports Basketball Association o FBA. Dito magpapasiklaman ng mga koponan mula sa iba't ibang lalawigan na eksklusibo niyong mapapanood dito sa telebisyon ng bayan simula sa susunod na linggo. May report si Ms. Arian Malyari.
May bagong kapapanabikan ang mga basketball fans at aspiring professional dribblers ng bansa sa pagsisimula ng PhilSports Basketball Association o FBA. Kagabi ay opisyal nang ipinakilala sa harap ng media at press ang pinakabagong local amateur league na pinangunahan ni PhilSports Basketball President LJ Serrano at League Commissioner Vince Hizon. Present din sa nasabing okasyon ang mga representatives ng 6 na koponan na kasali sa liga. Magpapasiklaban ng Pampanga Photon Tornadoes, Numero 1 Antipolo Pilgrims, Mighty Sports Apparel and Accessories, Racal Group of Companies, University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons at ang tingin ng lahat na pinakamalakas at team to beat, ang Laguna Busa Warriors, kung saan 2 former PBA players ang gumagabay sa team na sina former San Miguel Beermen forward Nick Velasco at Tokentex bigman Ali Peak.
Really like to find players that just work super hard. I'm not looking for talented players. I'm looking for work ethic. I'm looking for character. I'm a defensive player, and I know through the years that defense is what wins championships. So that's one thing that we're trying to teach. It's a long process. We don't want to be known as the team to be. That puts a big bullseye on us, and then sets us up for a lot of failure. So we're really coming in at the bottom, and hopefully we can work our way up and develop through the conference and finish somewhere near the top.
I feel really excited about it. Taking a step in the unknown because I've never done this before, and neither has Nick. But when you talk about life, I mean that's what it's all about. I never would have imagined that I'd be in a situation like this, but it kept popping up. So I figured, you know what, that must be a sign. I might as well go ahead and share some of what I've learned in my experiences and pass it on to the younger generation.
Very exciting, especially itong ginawa ni Commissioner Vince Hizon for the FBA. And, me and Nick and Ali have been actually working out and been friends for quite some time and, form a team for Laguna and to the leadership of Nick Velasco. Kaya excited kami na makasama and be part of the FBA.
Samantala, kapwa nagpahayag din ng excitement at taus-pusong pasasalamat ang FBA big men na sina Serrano at Hizon. Lalo pat may basbas at binigyang pagkilala ng Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas o SBP, ang PhilSports.
We're really happy because, we've gone this far and we're really happy, elated actually, if I can choose the words, with the partnership that we have with your network, and definitely we will be looking forward to the next games and the next conference seasons that we have because everyone's so hyped with the league right now, and of course we're doing well because of our partnership with PTV4.
We're very thrilled to be associated with PTV, especially in our maiden season. It's a growing experience, I think, for both of us. I think the PTV will really strengthen their sports block. And for us, it's a great way to be, seen all around the Philippines, of course, SBP. So we thank them for their support. Commissioner Sunny Barrios, who's the executive director, we really thank him for his support. Bernie Atienza, who's also been very supportive. We can't say enough about how good they've been to FBA.
Nitong Enero ay nagsimula na ang ilang aksyon sa FBA at sa darating na Sabado inaasahan ang Game 3 ng Liga sa pagitan ng Laguna Busa Warriors at UP Diliman Fighting Maroons. Sa nabuong partnership ng FBA at PTV Network, eksklusibong mapapanood dito sa telebisyon ng bayan ang lahat ng mga aksyon sa Liga sa susunod na linggo. Para sa PTV Sports, Arian Malyari, Telebisyon ng Bayan.